Transform your kitchen into a year-round tomato haven with the AeroGarden Red Heirloom Cherry Tomato Seed Pod Kit. This kit comes equipped with everything you need to start cultivating vibrant, non-GMO cherry tomatoes right at home. Each kit includes 6 pre-seeded grow pods, ensuring a hassle-free setup. The seeds are free from herbicides and pesticides, guaranteeing fresh, clean produce for your culinary adventures. What sets this kit apart is its comprehensive package. Alongside the seed pods, you receive a 3-ounce bottle of specially formulated liquid nutrients, essential for robust plant growth. The kit also includes grow domes that facilitate optimal germination, ensuring a strong start for your tomato plants. Even if you're new to gardening, the included growing guide provides clear, step-by-step instructions to help you achieve success. One of the standout features of the AeroGarden system is its compatibility with all AeroGarden models, ensuring versatility whether you're a beginner or an experienced indoor gardener. With a 100% germination guarantee, you can rest assured that if any seed pod fails to sprout, AeroGarden will replace it at no additional cost. Indoor gardening enthusiasts will appreciate the convenience and quality of the AeroGarden Red Heirloom Cherry Tomato Seed Pod Kit. From seed to harvest, enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own fresh, flavorful cherry tomatoes, perfect for salads, sauces, and snacking straight from the vine. Elevate your culinary creations with homegrown produce that's as rewarding as it is delicious.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.